Heyo! Welcome in, or welcome back. Here we are with episode 8 of Campfire Cooking in Another World with my absurd skill. Always a mouthful, never gonna get old though. So let's go ahead and hop on in. Oh yeah, we're with the troop. You don't think anybody can hear you guys? Traveling far and wide. Everybody's traveling. Oh, they got everybody tied up. What the heck? Rottels? Is that a town? What the heck? What do you mean, the leader? Are you talking about? Are you talking about what? Are you talking about Okuda? Like the one you came from, or episode 8? All of the boss monsters are tasty. Hmm. You get to get that good stuff. You gonna let him have? You want that special meat, don't you? Oh, baby Shui is here. Well, you said you were gonna get him the good stuff, right? And I just buy. Oh wow, what is that? Ah, that doesn't look very good. Unpasteurized. Okay. Oh. Wow, that does not look yummy. Those soldiers over there eating hard bread and beef jerky, just like the first group that he was with. Okay. I know you did not just whip that with the with the oil. Oh my gosh. Oh. Sui has very refined taste buds as well. Uh, it actually got all the way over there. Yeah, I wasn't far enough away. This is so fun. I don't think Fenrir is gonna like that. Dang, slow down. I don't. Okay, no. You don't gotta feed him like that. Yeah, you should have been feeding Fenrir. No, you'll need to pay me some money for that. Yeah. Um. I'm just so confused. Like, Makuta, you need to. Okay, Makuta, get up in there. Lars? You gave him a new name? That way nobody suspects a thing. I'm sorry, weren't you in the other town? Was that not you? Oh no, you're the person out. He was just walking with. Oh my gosh. Mmm. I better get some stuff for free. Yeah. Makura-san. Oh, he's an adventurer as well. Mm. But like, I saved you guys, so... Wait, what? Oh, dude, he totally forgot. Oh yeah, cause he was going through the forest for a month and a half. Goodness gracious. He did like one G quest so long ago. Oh yeah, you got it too. Oh, is she scared of it? Well, I mean, this one, I mean, they do have acid. Mm. I don't let her get up, get all up on you with that acid and well, Sui also has the healing now, so the process of what? They're not bad people. They're just yeah. I'm sorry, but like, I be wondering how Makuta be just moving that stuff out. Like, those are super heavy, right? Yeah. They're seeing stuff they haven't even seen before. Yeah. He just revealed. Um, that makes sense. But also, like, I feel like they'd be sloppy. How do you, oh my gosh, yikes. You sliced the, what? You can have some? You be eating that? What's wrong? Oh, ooh, you were eating it like, oh my gosh, wait. What do you mean you're sorry? Oh, because like commoners aren't allowed? Y'all was eating it down too. Feasting. Okay, wait. Oh, that is huge. Of course he wasn't offended. Makuta's very nice. At least they feel like they owe him something. Yeah, at least they you know, did they pay for this? Because that's what they need to do after that high quality meat. Like, at least use them for, you know, some benefits. Because they really ate up all that food. Like, dang. But, like, also, Makuta could have been like, hey, yeah, you're eating a lot, okay? And I need to eat some. Or he could have just went ahead and popped some in his mouth. Set a plate aside for yourself. Like, there's no reason you should be starving yourself. Also, oh, it's Ninra. Huh. He hasn't even been practicing his magic. There's the Kagome. Oh, putting in jellyfair. Yeah, but anyway, Makuta needs to like be able to step up and like say something, or at least just like, he just be starving himself for no reason. Plus, he should have been feeding his familiars first. And he should have gotten the high quality steak for Fenrir. Yahoo! He do be forgetting a lot. Like, how often did he feed her? Or give her blessings while he was going through the forest? I mean, I'm sure you can knock a few of these out. Not too. I mean, you have the appraisal magic, you got Fenrir. Dang. And half of that time you were in the forest. Holy moly. You really should. The ocean? Wait, was that always the plan? What happened? Since when were they going to the ocean? Yeah, what's going on? Ah, I see. He just wants some good seafood. Holy. Yeah, the Kraken? Is everybody in here scared? Because I would be. Ah, he knows Sui will convince him. Oh, baby Sui, the battler. Sui, go fighting! Sui, go fighting! I knew it. Wants to go pew pew. Oh, the tiniest war veteran. Yeah, you're not convincing Sui. Yep, Sui's on Uncle Phil's side. Okay, so we're about to see him get F rank. Is it like 3 points per? Go home? There is no home. So what do you have to you bring there? Like one clock? Ooh. Okay. Well, yep, this is gonna be some easy points. Wait, so what do you have to bring back? Cut off their ears. Okay, there we go. Must they do everything for you? Ooh. That's what I'm saying. You've been cutting and sizzling. It really isn't. Oh, get a goblin general. That should be really big. Sui is. Oh my goodness, these goblins look prego. Holy moly. Oh, straight pierced. Why is Finver blushing? He's so happy. Get all the points you can. Me. Ooh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. That's a lot of ears to cut off. Aww, Sui loves you. That's so cute. I was gonna say, can't he just take a picture? But that's not something that they have. So, could you imagine him bringing a picture back there? Like, what the heck is that? Where did you get this? Where did you get this sorcery? A dungeon can just appear? I know Fenrir said the dungeon they went to had just like been established, but like I thought like it was because there was already a cave there. But like they could just pop up wherever. Oh, they're earless. Oh, you don't want any goblin meat. Okay. No, I still see some ears. What? One Sui is 1 month. Wait. Proliferate. Oh, okay. Like Ant-Man. Holy moly, could you imagine this following you around? Oh my gosh, you have a multiply skill. Okay. And you guys can all do. Oh my gosh, there's not a hole in the ground? Oh. Don't let any of that splash over here. I wouldn't be picking Sui up after that, I'm sorry. Oh, you could sell the potions. I'm sure you are after all that. Oh, you combined already? Yeah, that's some Mickey D's right there. You say anything is fine. Some Mickey D's, steak and shake. One is on a higher level than the other, but like, which one do you think it is? Steak and shake. Anyway. Okay. Mmm. Corn mayo bread. Oh, we know somebody that likes Hamburg steak. Well, if you're watching the other food series on my channel, then you do. He's just shaking with excitement. Holy. That. I mean, I'm glad you said it. Oh. Oh my gosh. Ooh, coffee. But like also just like eat a meal when there's nobody else trying to like consume everything from you. Whole hot dog in baby Suey's mouth. Why? I mean, Brilla's stuff expire. Obviously, anybody going through that forest or around that forest, then their stuff is just automatically up. That's just once you decide to do that, yes, it's just a joker for a G rank, a G rank adventure, and that is what he was and now is again. He let those people know that he has a legendary beast. I didn't think at least about the expensiveness of the food that he was giving those people, letting them shove down their throats. Obviously, he doesn't have that same like those same thoughts of, oh, this is luxurious meat and all of that. He gets it for a good price, like the ingredients and stuff, but then also he has a legendary beast who's hunting this stuff, and so like there's just no worries about the cost. But then you look at it for like the people that actually reside in this world and have been, and this is the only world they know of, and like this is like luxury stuff. This is high end, high quality stuff that like the royals would eat. So when I was talking about like hey, take advantage of like your situation and stuff, I wasn't saying that to like get over on the guys and everything. Like they're kind and everything, but like you're new in this world. Your money runs out. You're feeding a legendary beast. You're feeding a literal goddess. He may even be feeding more goddesses soon. And it just you gotta fund your life. He said he was gonna set up like a food cart. So he joined the other guild, the Merchants Guild, and like he hasn't been doing any of that. And everybody he just let them eat so much food. Like I feel like they needed to pay him since they do understand the luxuries that they ate. Even if he doesn't, he needs to be thinking about that. So like it wasn't to get over on them, it was to reasonably ask for compensation. Especially like yeah, he asked them to go along with them, but it was like he also saved them from dying because they were definitely getting their butts beat in the battle. So although they were thankful, they just ate up all the meat for which was for Fenrir, and Fenrir didn't get enough. Even though Fenrir is a triple A glutton, triple S glutton, then it's just like I mean, you know your role, you know what the agreement was between you and Fenrir. I don't know. Anyway, um, Sui is so cool, so cute, learning so many things. But I would definitely be like, wow, I'm glad this slime is on my team because holy, this is one dangerous slime. Able to multiply, able to do acid rain, disintegrate bodies, like a little war monster. Yeah. Anyway, this episode is going to be getting an 8 out of 10 G rank adventure cards. G rank adventure guild membership cards. Mm, mm, mm. I can't wait to see what what else for the adventures, you know? What's coming up next. And I also just want to say one more thing. I don't know why he was like, "Oh man, is it okay? Like I plan to like take the next few months and rank up to F." Why? Like get to the highest rank you can, especially when there's benefits such as you not having to take um like requests so often. Like wouldn't that be good for your adventure? Like for you doing what you want to do? I don't know. I thought that was kind of backwards thinking for him. I get it. It may draw attention, like, oh my gosh, he went from G to F in one day. But it's like, you also have a legendary beast. And although people don't think, or people debate whether it's a legendary beast, Fenrir, or a great white wolf or whatever, like, it doesn't matter. Like, nobody's taking him off of you. Like, you're protected, okay? And the royals, I mean, maybe you'll be a royal if you. Okay, anyway, I'm getting out of line. Anyway, let me know all your thoughts, all your feelings, all whatever else you want to tell me in the comments. And please like, please share, and please subscribe because I love having you here. And it's just great to have somebody to ramble at, and then you can ramble back at me because I know I just be going. I just be going. But I can't help it. I start talking and then I get excited and then I find out I have way more words to say than I really wanted to. Man, I'd be writing like 1,000 word essays just in the form of just talking to you all. Anyway, I will be seeing you in whatever you choose to watch from me next. Love, Jasmines. And bunnies.